Everyone thinks the best-selling car lift is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you dig a little deeper, you might find some surprising choices that actually work better in your garage. Product number 1, ROBLOCK car ramps. First up, we have the ROBLOCK car ramps for just $29.99. What caught my attention? These ramps are designed specifically for low chassis vehicles, making them a solid choice if you often work on sports cars or lower cars. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable way to lift your car, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why these ramps could be a game changer for you. With a lifting height of 2.6 inches and a slope of 17 degrees, they allow you to slide under your vehicle with ease. The 10-inch width is ideal for those wider tires, ensuring you don't run into issues with stability. Plus, they can support vehicles up to 20,000 pounds, so you won't have to worry about them failing under pressure. That's a pretty impressive rating, with 978 reviews averaging 4.3 stars. But honestly, some users did mention that the ramps can feel a bit flimsy if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the guidelines and don't push their limits, they hold up well. If you're someone who's just doing regular maintenance at home, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own a low-clearance vehicle and need an easy way to access the underside. Skip this one if you drive a standard truck or large SUV, since the height might not be sufficient. Now, if the ROBLOCK ramp support felt inadequate to you, the next option ramps it up in both height and capacity. Product number 2, Maxority Low Profile Jack. Next, let's look at the Maxority 3-ton low profile hydraulic floor jack priced at $134.99. What really caught my eye here is the dual pistons that make lifting your car feel effortless. If you want something that tackles low-clearance vehicles with ease, this jack deserves your attention. It boasts a load capacity of 6,600 pounds, so you're covered whether you're working on a sports car or just need a reliable jack for regular maintenance. The rapid pump technology allows it to lift the car quickly with fewer strokes, a real time saver when you're in a hurry. Plus, with a rating of 4.7 stars from 410 reviews, it's clear that many users are satisfied with its performance. However, some users did mention that it can be a bit heavy to maneuver around. Here's the thing though, once you get it in place, it does the job well and feels sturdy. If you're just looking for something lightweight, this might not be for you, but the build quality is worth the extra weight. This is perfect for you if you work frequently on low-clearance vehicles and value a quick lifting process. Skip this one if you need something ultralight or if your garage space is extremely tight. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavier lifting. Product number 3, Hoist Hydraulic Car Ramps. Now we have the Hoist 5T hydraulic car ramps priced at $159.99. What jumped out at me? These ramps can lift an impressive 11,060 pounds. If you're looking for something that can handle heavier vehicles, these ramps are worth considering. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures they won't rust, providing durability over time. They're particularly popular among automotive mechanics and can be used in both home and professional settings, which is reflected in their 4.4-star rating from 198 reviews. This matters for you specifically because the adjustable feature lets you use them for different vehicle types and maintenance tasks. That said, they can be a bit cumbersome to store due to their size and weight. Some users found them less portable than expected. Here's the deal, if you have the space and need that heavy-duty capacity, it's a worthwhile investment that pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on heavier vehicles or need something versatile. Skip this if you have limited garage space or are only working on lighter cars. If heavy-duty isn't your primary concern, the next option is lighter and still effective for regular maintenance. Product number 4, TOWKING car ramps. Next up are the TOWKING car ramps, which also come in at $29.99. These caught my attention because they offer a great balance of affordability and capacity. If you're after something budget-friendly that still gets the job done, take a look at these. With a capacity of 13,000 pounds, these ramps provide a solid lift for low-clearance vehicles. The design includes 6 anti-slip pads, ensuring safety during use. Users appreciate the reasonable design and 17 degrees slope, making it easier to drive up. The reviews back this up, with an average rating of 4.5 stars from 303 users. However, some users reported that they wished the ramps were a bit longer for larger vehicles. Here's my take: if you're mostly working on regular cars and not larger SUVs or trucks, this isn't a deal breaker and still offers excellent value. This is perfect for you if you're looking for budget-friendly maintenance tools for regular vehicles. Skip this if you frequently handle larger vehicles or need something more robust. Now, if you want something a bit more powerful and versatile, the last product on our list really stands out. Product number 5, Albot Portable Car Lift. Finally, let's talk about the Albot Portable Car Lift, priced at $1,289.99. This is a serious piece of equipment. If you want something that provides a maximum height of 28 inches and can handle up to 7,000 pounds, this is worth considering. The versatility of this lift is impressive, with multiple locking levers and an upgraded spring design for quick height recovery. It operates with a minimum load of just 220 pounds, which makes it user-friendly. The Q235B steel frame ensures durability, while the foldable design allows for easy storage. With a 4.2-star rating from 115 reviews, it's clear that many users find it reliable. However, some users have mentioned that it's on the heavier side, which can make it less portable for some. Here's the thing though: once it's in place, it's rock solid and an excellent tool for maintenance or inspections. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful lift for various types of vehicles and have the space for it. Skip this if you need something more portable or lightweight. To wrap it up, we've looked at ramps and lifts that cater to different needs and budgets. From ROBLOCK and TOWKING's affordable options to the heavy-duty hoist and the powerful Albot lift. To quickly recap, the ROBLOCK ramps are great for low-clearance cars, while the Maxority Jack excels in quick lifting. The hoist ramps are perfect for heavy-duty use, and TOWKING offers excellent affordability. Finally, the Albot lift is a fantastic choice for serious home mechanics. Choose based on your specific needs and budget, and you'll be set for any garage task.